Hi, Mom and Sir. I'm Junalyn Galano. I'm from Philippines. I'm 32 years old. I'm married. I'm high school graduate. I have two daughters, 10 years old and 12 years old. I'm ex-abroad, which is Jordan and Singapore. I worked in Jordan last 2017 to 2019. My main duty there is to take care of the babies. They are six members in the family, the mom and sir, and the four kids. 2 years old, 1 year old, and newborn twins baby. Sometimes I cook food for the kids. And I worked in Singapore last 2020 to 2024. My main duty there is to take care also baby. They are three member in family, the mom and sir, and the 2 year old baby. I take care the baby for whole day because mom and sir go to work every day. And sometimes I cook and I need to car wash, I go marketing. And I hope I can join to your family someday. Thank you. Have a nice day.